Hello, this one is the automatic perfume filling, crimping, and pressing machine. This one is with the anti-explosive electronic box. Here, the touch screen is all covered inside. And this one is with the bottle collection machine at the end of the part. Okay, here the pump and the mid color all can be changed to different size. This one, the filling system is the gear pump. Put the bottles by hand. And the first one is the air cleaning, then gear pump filling and gear pump filling. The last one is vacuum filling. Then go to automatic pump filling. Then free crimping. And then go to the crimping. Here is the middle color filling. And then middle color pressing. Take out. This mode can be adjusted for different bottles. Here, to the collection of the bottle. This is the vacuum. This is the anti-explosive electronic box.